And this got a clip on it. But the light is still, that's better. Alright, hey guys. So today we're going to a festival downtown Detroit in Eastern Market. And I'm here with Zach. Say hi, Zach. So, this festival is called Afro Soca Love Fest. I call it the Afro Care About the Carnival. Carnival Festival. So it's basically like Carnival, but it's called Afro Cova Love Festival. That's what it's called. Something like that. I'm gonna link it in the bio because it's all over Instagram. They go all over the country and have these festivals. So this month or week or whenever they are in Detroit, and we're going. So we DIY'd some what's these called, carnival outfits. We use swimsuits. We did not vlog it, sorry. So we're gonna take y'all along with us tonight. Yay. And we're gonna be having some adult drinks, so bear with us. Bear with us. So let's have some fun because it's Mother's Day weekend. Period. It is Mother's Day weekend, so we're about to hang out.
Yeah, lights.
It's gonna be amazing. But I want to teach you some dance moves. Is that okay? So we call this dance move in the Caribbean the tombstone. So it goes something like this. We're gonna do it together. So me and you, my brother. Follow me. You will lay down on the floor like this. Just lay down on the ground. On the ground. It's called a tombstone. So I'm gonna count you down. On the count of 3, and you're gonna resurrect from the tombstone. Everybody make a circle around my brother right here. Make a circle around my bro because he needs this energy. He's been here all day. Everybody, I need you to follow me. Make a circle around my brother right here. On the count of 3, my brother's gonna resurrect. We call this a tombstone in the Caribbean. We're going to Grenada right now. Now everybody, just follow me. Around my brother, put your arms like this.
look, guys, we're back in the car. I have to put my bag in the car because I got this little bag from the Dollar Tree. And $1.25. Listen, I'm about to fucking boycott y'all again. Because listen, this bag should not have tore like this. Look at this bag. People was picking my shit up.
At least they was picking it up, though.
Giving it to me.
At least they was saying something and not taking your shit.
But no, that was $30 $30 makeup spray. Look, my Urban Decay kept falling out.
Sorry guys, we're drunk. We're feeling good. It's not just that fucking weekend.
My Urban Decay fell out like 3 times. I guess that means I need to spray my face. I guess I'm looking at it.
Wait, you need to put anything in here?
No, I'm leaving.
Take stuff out.